Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can transfer photos from your iPhone to like a PC running on Windows. So plug in your iPhone first using just like your cable to the PC, and then enter your passcode and make sure you press allow on the like notification. It'll pop up on your phone. Then just go to the Apple iPhone here, select it again, and you're just going to copy the photos and files you want to. Just drag it and move it to like another folder, maybe your D folder, your D drive or C drive. It's up to you. Or you can just open photos and go to external devices and go to Apple iPhone, and you can do that. And then you can like select all and then add 100 items, and it's going to be moved to your PC. Or you can even download iCloud photos. So here, view your iCloud photos here, and then get iCloud for Windows, and you're just going to download the app, log in using your iCloud information, and then you'll be able to retrieve your photos on PC. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.